Good morning, students. In the previous class, we were discussing about quadratic equations, and we have solved 10.1 exercise. Now we will move to the next important aspect of quadratic equation, that is to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, this is done through the first thing. The first method is through factorization. We know what do we mean by factorization. We know what are the factors of 10. Factors of 10 are 2 into 5, 2 and 5. What are the factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are. These are the factors. You can say these are the factors. 2 and 5, they are the factors. If you say 32, these are prime factors. So we know the difference between the factors and the prime factors. Factors can be prime or non-prime. Prime means the numbers which cannot be divided by any other number. For example, 4 may be a factor, but this can be divided by other two numbers. 2 into 2. The prime number is that number which can be divided by itself or 1. For example, 2 can be divided by 2 and 1. You cannot divide this number by other numbers. For example, even 5 is there. 5 can be divided by itself, that is 5 can be divided by 5 and 5 can be divided by 1. Another number, if we take 21. 21 can be divided by 3. 21 can be divided by 7. Means there are other numbers which can be divided by other numbers. If the given number is divided by other numbers other than itself, then that number is known as non-prime numbers, and these such numbers are known as prime numbers or prime factors. These are the factors of 10, these are the factors of 12, and what are the factors of 32? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So these are the factors of 32. So what we are talking about? We are talking about solution to find roots or values of quadratic equation. That is done through two methods. The first one is factorization method, and the other one is through splitting the middle term. Both are one and the same, and we will stick on only one. Don't be confused. Only one method is a permanent method, so that we are going to deal with it. That is splitting the middle term. Okay, let us solve some examples. For example, question will be like this: find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, let us take one example. X square plus 6x plus 9. X square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Because why we are writing is equal to 0? Because this is an equation. If it is an equation, then there should be equal to sign. Something should be in RHS, something should be in LHS. Left hand side and right hand side. Now let us solve this example. So what do we mean by splitting the middle term? So what is the middle term here? 6x is the middle term. We have to split it and we have to solve it. So how to split it? Let us, for example, always remember, if we want to split the middle term, we need the help of the first term and the last term. If there is nothing with this x square, then we have to put 1 here. 1 into 9 is how much? 9. 1 into 9 is 9. So here it is plus, here it is plus. So plus into plus is plus. So now, what are the factors? What are the two numbers? What are the two numbers? If we multiply those two numbers, we should get this number, that is 9. 1 into 9, that is 9. If we multiply these two numbers, we should get this number. And if we add them, if we add and subtract, it may be addition, it may be subtraction. If we do that, we should get 6. So what are those numbers? Let us take 9 and 1. 9 1 is 9, very fine. Okay, but if you add or subtract, 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. We have only 6 here. 9 minus 1, not possible. So now let us take another 3. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. If you multiply 3, add 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. Now here it is 6. Now if we multiply 3 into 3, what do we get? 9. We get here. So this is how the splitting of the middle term we get. So now use this number. Always use this number. X square plus, in place of 6x, right? 3x. 3 is the number, x is always there. If it is x, write x. If it is y, write y. If it is z, write z. Okay. What is the next number? Another 3. 3a. So now this 6x can be splitted into two numbers. That is 3x plus 3x. If you add these numbers, you get same number. Don't change first and the last number. Keep first and last number as it is. Keep first and the last number as it is. Don't change anything. Okay? Just concentrate on the middle term, splitting the middle term. Now, consider this and this number. Do you find any common number here? Common variable here? Yes. Here it is x square. X square means what? X into x. X square means x into x. So here it is x, here it is x. So take common x. So what remains here? X remains. We have taken x here. What remains? 3 plus. Now here another two numbers are there. So what is common between them? Now 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So you can see the 3 is common here. Write 3. If you take out 3, what remains? X remains. Plus 3 has taken, what remains? 3 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now common x plus 3, common. What is remaining? X plus 3. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now to find the roots, what we have to do? We have to equate each bracket to the 0. Now, so x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, this x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 minus 3. So x equal to minus 3. So x equal to 0 minus 3. So again x equal to minus 3. So these are the roots. These are the roots of this equation. Now, how do we say whatever we have done is right or wrong? So mathematics is a subject that you can verify anything at any stage. Now let us verify. Put x equal to minus 3 in this equation, and let us check whatever we have done is right or wrong. We know equation means LHS equal to RHS. Let us see. So the equation is x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now let us put minus 3 in place of x. In place of x, write minus 3 plus 9. Now this is LHS, left hand side. So can you tell me minus 3 whole square is how much? 9. 3 minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. That is 9. Now plus into minus is minus. 6 3s are 18 plus 9. Plus 9 is plus 18. Minus 18 is always there. 18 got cancels. What is the answer? This is RHS. So means whatever we have found that is the values is x equal to minus 3. These are the x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 3 are the roots of this equation. In general, you can say these are the zeros of this equation or zeros of the equation. What do we mean by zeros? Zeros are the values which satisfies the given equation. Okay, let us solve another example. Now you can see another equation. Find the root of the given equation, that is m square minus 13m plus 36 is equal to 0. Now again we have to use the same method, that is splitting the middle term. So what is there is nothing here, so 1 and 36. So 1 into 36 is 36. So what are the two numbers? If you multiply those numbers, you should get plus 36. And if you add and subtract those numbers, you should get minus 13. So what are those numbers? So let us say 6 6 are 36. 6 and 6 36, very correct. But 6 and 6 are 12. So we need 13. Wrong it is. Take another. 12 3s are 36, very correct. But 12 and 3 becomes 15, or 12 minus 3 becomes 9. It's not possible. It is 13. So what we take? 9 4s are 9 4s are. Now always remember. So whatever in mathematics, you need to remember about this sign. If you forget the sign, mathematics is complete failure. You need to just concentrate on signs. Sign is the prime number, prime factor, everything. The mathematics completely depend upon the signs. So don't ever forget to write, remember, and you have to multiply, add, subtract according to the rules that is prescribed. Now 9 4s are 36. Now we need minus 13. So let us see minus 9 and minus 4. Now if you add minus 9 and minus 4, what becomes? It becomes minus 13. So it is minus 13 is okay. So minus 9 into minus 4 is how much? Minus into minus plus 9 4s are 36. Now we get 36 also and we get minus 13 also. This is how we have to choose the numbers. Okay, now same number. I told you first and second last number, don't ever touch those numbers. So m square as it is plus 36 as it is equal to 0 as it is. Now in place of minus 13, just remember these two numbers, minus 9m minus 4m, minus 9m minus 4m, that is plus 36. Just what we have done, we have just split the middle term, Now, so what are common here? M is a common number, is m minus 9, minus 4 is common, m minus 9 is equal to 0. See, minus 4, so what remains? 4 remains, m remains. So minus into minus plus. 4 are already taken, so we need 36. 4 9s are 36. So now m minus 9, m minus 9. What is remaining? M minus 4. M minus 4 is equal to 0. So m minus 9 is equal to 0. M minus 4 equal to 0. M is equal to 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. Now these are the two values. These are the two roots of this equation. If you want to check it, just put the values in the equation, just check. Verification. You can do it. Verification. So take the equation, that is m square minus 13m plus 36. Take any of these two numbers. You take 9, if you take 4. Let us see, take 4, what happens? 4 square, 13 into 4 plus 36. This is LHS. 4 square is 16, 13 4s are 52 plus 36. 36 plus 16 is 52 minus 52. 52 get cancelled, so it remains 0. This is RHS. So whatever we have done means that those numbers satisfies the given equation. It means they are the real roots. They are roots of the given equation. Okay.